Suspense after correction of errors. The trial balance of Z failed to agree, the totals being debit $209,050, credit $204,925. A suspense account was opened for the amount of the difference, and the following errors were found and corrected. 1. The totals of the cash discount columns in the cash book had not been posted to the discount accounts. The figures were discount allowed $975 and discount received $1,275. 2. A check for $4,750 received from a customer was correctly entered in the cash book but was posted to the control account as $2,275. What will the remaining balance on the suspense be after the correction of those errors? 1. Suspense account. Debit suspense account, $975. Credit AR, $975. Debit AP, $1,275. Credit suspense account, $1,275. Adjusting entry. Debit discount allowed, $975. Credit suspense account, $975. Debit suspense account, $1,275. Credit discount received, $1,275. 2. Suspense account. Debit cash, $4,750. Credit AR, $2,275. Credit suspense account, $2,475. Adjusting entry. Debit suspense account, $2,475. Credit AR, $2,475. Answer. Suspense account. Opening balance. Credit $204,925 minus debit $209,050. Total $4,125 credit. Discount allowed $975 credit. Discount received minus $1,275 debit. Transposition of cash received $2,475 debit. Remaining balance on the suspense $1,350 credit.